directly jump into a song that is trending nowadays. हर रील हर डांस मूव्स इसी पर बन रहा है, which is परवाना from Pippa.
Yeah.
Did you imagine that it will be such a trend?
We didn't know it would be a trend. We knew that we've done a good job with the song. What is going to work और क्या work नहीं करने वाला है, ये तो किसी को पता नहीं होता है.
चकाचक तो इतना ज्यादा हो गया था कि आजकल स्कूल में टीचर पूछती है H for, बच्चे गाते हैं हाय चक्का चक्का चक्का.
What are you saying?
Just joking. इतनी जुबान पे रह गया.
नहीं, बड़ो सारा की वजह से. सारा ने सबके घर पे जा जाके दरवाजे पे नॉक कर करके बोले मेरे साथ चकाचक करो. Literally she has done that.
Do you think that Ishan Khattar can give टक्कर to Shahid Kapoor?
Absolutely, 100% he can. Yes.
I think we should see both of them together, you know, in a great performance for sure.
Yes.
जो intro गाना है रणबीर कपूर का, उसे आपने choreograph किया. Tell us what went behind the making of this, because there was a reason why the moonwalk was added, right?
Yeah. मेरे को फोन जब आया कि एनिमल में एक पीस है, it was not even a song.
अच्छा.
Because the music composed by that band is so good.
Right.
People have taken it, but तभी वो खाली एक म्यूजिक पीस था. तो उन्होंने ये सुनाया मेरे को पीस. Misses the concert because of his father's birthday, so it's a very important part in the film. He said कि, but he's a Michael Jackson fan, so we have to find a lot of Michael Jackson kind of moves in the thing. But it started with the moonwalk.
There was another choreographer, Ata Sandeep ji, जिन्होंने ये कहा कि he claimed that he had choreographed this song.
I was also pretty surprised. One of my assistants sent me a post on Instagram saying that अरे ये तो हमने किया है. Because बहुत टाइम ऐसे होता भी है हमारे साथ कि हम शूट करते हैं, फिर वो चीज को रीशूट हो जाता है. ऐसे बहुत टाइम होता भी है.
अच्छा.
But then when I saw, I said नहीं ये तो हमारा है. So then I went to see the film and I saw, yeah, this is what we've shot, and why is someone else taking credit for it? Hi, this is Vijay Ganguly and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
इन्होंने अपने उंगली पर ना सिर्फ एक्टर्स को हमें भी खूब नचाया है. द कोरियोग्राफर बिहाइंड सम ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक डांस नंबर्स, चाहे वो पिप्पा का गाना हो जिस पर आजकल हर कोई नाच रहा है, चकाचक हो, जग्गा जासूस हो, सो मेनी मोर. बट क्वाइट रिसेंटली यू ऑल्सो सीन रणबीर कपूर डूइंग द मून वॉक इन एनिमल. प्लीज वेलकम द वंडरफुल कोरियोग्राफर विजय गांगुली जी. हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm good. Thank you for a lovely introduction. Thank you.
This is the first time I'm interviewing you. And I really enjoy interviewing choreographers. Because बड़ा मुश्किल होता है ना उनको एक जगह पे बिठाना. ना आप बातें भी ऐसे ही करेंगे.
हाँ वो तो है. But एक जगह बैठ के बात करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है कभी-कभी. Sometimes to just be.
So tell us Vijay, I want to directly jump into a song that is trending nowadays. हर रील हर डांस मूव्स इसी पर बन रहा है, which is परवाना from Pippa.
Yeah.
Did you imagine that it will be such a trend?
See, we didn't know it would be a trend. We knew that we've done a good job with the song. जब हम शूट भी कर रहे थे और जब हम रिहर्सल्स कर रहे थे, जब इसको कंसीव कर रहे थे, तो we knew that कुछ तो अच्छा बन रहा है. You know, but what is going to work और क्या वर्क नहीं करने वाला है, ये तो किसी को पता नहीं होता है. Like
पर OTT पर गाने हिट होना, it also means that you have to watch the show.
Yeah.
And there is a possibility people might watch it, not watch it. तो ये एक रहता ही है.
वो रहता ही है. It started with, I'll tell you, with Atrangire. So Atrangire was, we thought it was a theatre film, and then it went on to OTT.
Right.
And we were all very dejected saying that अरे Atrangire OTT पे आ रही है, और फिर वो you know कि वो thought आ जाता है कि कौन देखेगा, अच्छा गाना किया हमने. But चकाचक came from there. You know, and then you forget whether it's OTT, whether it's film, whether it's what, because eventually अच्छा content जो होता है वो अच्छा content होता है.
Right.
Like, and if it is good, it reaches people. So that's what I've realized.
Definitely.
And yeah.
चकाचक तो made some viral videos इतना ज़्यादा हो गया था कि आजकल स्कूल में टीचर पूछती है H for, बच्चे गाते हैं हाय चक्का चक्का.
What are you saying?
Just joking. इतनी जुबान पे रह गया.
नहीं, बड़ो सारा की वजह से. सारा ने सबके घर पे जा जाके दरवाजे पे नॉक कर करके बोले मेरे साथ चकाचक करो. Literally she has done that. Like, I'll tell you a funny story. तो चकाचक जब रिलीज हुआ था तो आई एम ऑलवेज लाइक यार कोई रील बनाओ और पता नहीं कि ट्रेंड होगा कि नहीं, तो हम पहले कोशिश कर लेते हैं. तो आई टोल्ड माय सिस्टर इज इफ यू नो अनुपमा,
ऑफ कोर्स वी नो रूपाली गांगुली.
या तो शी इज बीन पॉपुलर एट दैट टाइम. और तू एक रील कर ले तो क्या होगा, एटलीस्ट एक पुश मिल जाएगा गाने को. एंड शी वाज वेरी बिजी एट दैट टाइम. शी हाँ कल कर रही हूँ, परसों कर रही हूँ, तरसों कर रही हूँ, और कर ही नहीं रही थी. एंड आई सेड यू नो व्हाट, डोंट डू इट, इट्स ओके. सो हम लोग झगड़ते रहते बहुत सारा. And then suddenly I'm seeing Sarah's called her. Sarah's reached her location set, and they both have made a reel and she's sending it to me saying, "देख मैंने बना लिया तेरा reel." I'm like, "Thanks." So Sarah ने कराया तुझसे. So Sarah actually went to everyone, whoever was prominently there.
Yeah.
सबसे कराया. So that's how it actually went viral.
Wow, but I love the song, and even though I heard it like a million times, there is something about it and your choreography.
Thank you.
जिस तरीके से इसे शूट भी किया गया है, I think छोटी छोटी बारीकियों का ख्याल रखा है. अब I can see that there are dances in between lanes of the house that were shot so beautifully done.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
So that वो जो लेन वाला जो पोर्शन है ना, वो क्या होता है कि कभी कभी सीखने भी बहुत मिलता है लोगों से.
जी.
तो उसमें हम लोग कर रहे थे और लेन बहुत छोटा सा था एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ डांसर्स एंड वी एक्चुअली हैड कंसीव्ड सारा रनिंग स्ट्रेट एंड देन द कैमरा मूव्स अराउंड इट.
ओके.
जगह नहीं थी और डांसर्स कैमरा जा रहा था, स्टेडी कैम मूव कर रहा था, डांसर्स को धक्का लग रहा था ये वो. सो आई सेड यू नो व्हाट, इट्स डैम डिफिकल्ट. सीधा पीछे रखते हैं कैमरा, वहां से दौड़ के आती है और फिर डांस करती है. नाउ आनंद राय, ही सेड व्हाई यू सेइंग ओके टू समथिंग दैट इज इजी. आई मीन मतलब वो डिफिकल्ट है डिफिकल्ट, बट तू इजी वे आउट क्यों ले रहा है? अच्छा, सो बिकॉज टाइम है, सन जा रहा है, ये वो. इसी नहीं, कोशिश करते रहते हैं. आज नहीं करेंगे, कल करेंगे, बट करेंगे ऐसे ही. So then that gave you the josh, and then we did that shot in like 4-5 takes. We were like there.
तो बेसिकली आपकी कोरियोग्राफी में कैमरामैन भी डांस करते हैं.
हाँ सब हम लोग तो सब डांस करते हैं.
And since we were talking about Parwana, tell us how was it working with ईशान खट्टर? क्या स्मूथ डांस किया है उन्होंने. How long did it all take?
So when we first conceived the song, obviously जब हमको गाना मिला, वो गाना हम लोग शूट करने वाले थे फिल्म शुरू होने के पहले.
अच्छा.
So we were gonna start the song and then the film, but somehow it happened that वो पिक्चर पूरी शूट होने के बाद हमने गाना शूट किया. तो मेरे को गाना तब मिल गया था ऑलरेडी. So that was actually my first A.R. रहमान साहब का ट्रैक that I had got first time कि उनका एक गाना मैं करूंगा, but चकाचक release first. So that's how it happened. And then that process, we were always jamming. So Ishan, we used to keep messaging each other. I used to send him clips. He used to send me some videos. Fred Astaire and John Travolta and that time के जो लोग कैसे करते थे, that retro dances. मैं शम्मी कपूर की वीडियो उनको भेजता था. And then so this kept going on. So he understood the zone.
Right.
And when we came on to rehearsal, he was ready. Like he was ready. और हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा डांस किया था. Like obviously ईशान है, तो जब एक डांसर मिल जाता है ना, तो अंदर की पूरी डांस की भड़ास निकल जाती है कि ये भी करे, जमीन पर भी बैठेंगे, उठेंगे भी. एंड देन द डायरेक्टर केम इन, राजा कृष्णा मेनन. ही सेड कि डू यू नीड टू डांस सो मच? एंड आई वाज लाइक कि ईशान वाज आल्सो लाइक या आई कैन डांस. ही सेड व्हाई कांट वी जस्ट प्ले विद एक्सप्रेशंस एंड फाइंड अ लैंग्वेज दैट वी कैन मेक इट डिफरेंट.
राइट.
वहां से फिर हम लोग ने थोड़ा सा गियर चेंज करके घुमाया गाड़ी, और फिर हम लोग ने वो सब जो बिगनिंग में आप देख लो ना, मस्ताना ऐसे कर रहा है, वो सब वहां से आना शुरू हुआ. And then that's how.
कमाल है. How long did the rehearsals take and how much time did it take for the entire song to get shot?
So rehearsals we did for almost a week.
Okay.
Like we set the choreography and then we sent it and then Ishan came in. He rehearsed for like I think 3-4 days. और हमने गाना शूट किया 4 दिन में with the scene. So जो beginning का पूरा scene है, where they are talking and all of that and the talky portions, all of that took actually 4 days. And the fun part was कि जब last shot लिया गाने का, before we packed up, I was like, let's watch the song, because the whole song is shot in like 8 or 9 takes. 8 or 9 shots. लंबे shots आपने देखे होंगे. पहले 2 मिनट तो 4 ही शॉट है, तो ऐसे चलते रहता है. तो वो क्लिप लेता था और मैं डाल देता था on the laptop on my whatever editing software, and then second clip, third, जैसे हो रहा था वैसे डालता जा रहा था. By the time the song got over, the edit was ready.
Wow.
And then we saw it before going. I was like, we've shot a good song. That feeling came in.
It's a great track. Of course, the magic of A.R. Rahman and Ishan ने तो मतलब Do you think that Ishan Khattar can give टक्कर to Shahid Kapoor?
Absolutely, 100% he can. Yes.
I think we should see both of them together, in a great performance, for sure.
Yes.
Another film that comes out and has been just the talking points and everybody's talking about it is Animal, of course. जिसका जो intro गाना है रणबीर कपूर का, उसे आपने कोरियोग्राफ किया. Tell us what went behind the making of this, because there was a reason why the moonwalk was added, right?
Yeah. So this happened actually because संदीप सर की फिल्म्स में कोरियोग्राफी नहीं होती. तो मेरे को फोन जब आया कि एनिमल में एक पीस है, इट वाज नॉट इवन अ सॉन्ग.
अच्छा.
वो तो अब बिकॉज द म्यूजिक composed by that band is so good,
Right.
people have taken it, but तभी वो खाली एक म्यूजिक पीस था.
अच्छा.
एंड आई वाज लाइक कि पर उनके फिल्म में तो डांस वांस होता नहीं है.
हम्म.
तो बोले आके मिल लो. तो आई वेंट एंड आई मेट हिम
हम्म.
एंड तो उन्होंने ये सुनाया मेरे को पीस कि ये एक ऐसा पीस है और वी वांट टू डू इट ऑन दिस. एंड ही एंटर्स इनटू दिस प्लेस एंड द कैरेक्टर इज वेरी, एंड ही एक्सप्लेन द कैरेक्टर टू मी व्हाट द कैरेक्टर इज. एंड आई वाज लाइक बाप रे, मतलब ये कैरेक्टर तो कुछ भी कर सकता है, यू नो, देयर इज नो फिल्टर.
हाँ.
So then he said, but he's a Michael Jackson fan. And I was like, okay. So he said, in the film, I'm using that.
Okay.
In the end of the film, I'm using that. And he misses the concert because of his father's birthday. So it's a very important part in the film. So we have to find a lot of Michael Jackson kind of moves in the thing. So we did a longer piece, obviously. हमने कुछ 2 मिनट का कुछ piece बनाया था.
अच्छा.
But started with the moonwalk. So it started with a moonwalk. RK comes in, then you know he goes there, and then he has a cigarette in his hand all the time.
हाँ.
Like वो पूरे फिल्म में भी if you see, that is his signature. जो सिगरेट लेके घूमता, तो सिगरेट के साथ पूरा डांस किया था हमने और बहुत कुछ किया था. And then we shot it in a day.
Oh.
Yeah, because the house we shot it in was very छोटा सा.
पर क्या आपको लगता है कि वो जो अनएडिटेड पार्ट है वो भी अगर रिलीज हो जाए अभी तो we'll see a lot.
Now you will enjoy it because when we were shooting it, no, I was feeling a little कि अरे ये कुछ ज्यादा तो नहीं हो रहा है.
जी जी जी.
Because तभी फिल्म शूट नहीं हुई थी और मुझे पता नहीं था कि वो कैरेक्टर कहाँ तक ले जाएंगे, you know, eventually. So there was a lot of things where the cigarette, I can't even say, a lot of things that were like, oh my god, okay, that's a little too much.
Okay. जो उनके कैरेक्टर की तरह था.
हाँ,
थोड़ा
बहुत,
सेंट्रिक.
बहुत. And then when I edited, when we sat at the edit and all that stuff, I was like, isn't it looking too much? He's like, no, it's just perfect.
Okay.
And for some reason I thought कि ये obviously a lot of pieces like that don't make it to the film. कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि वो कट से निकल जाता है क्योंकि स्टोरी आगे बढ़ रही है, नहीं बढ़ रही है, वो सब होता है. But then I was very pleasantly surprised to see it. I mean, it was chopped shorter, but it was still there.
जब आपने पहली बार ये पीस सुना, what went through your mind? क्योंकि ये इतना प्यारा पीस है, there's nostalgia to it, and इसे इतने खूबसूरत अंदाज में क्रिएट भी किया है.
बहुत प्यारा पीस.
Was it a treat for you as a choreographer to work on it?
Absolutely. We were like कि और लंबा करते हैं. And he was like कि नहीं मुझे इतना ही चाहिए. But it was such a lovely piece and the way they've, you know, the violins have played, the way they've done it is fantastic.
Yeah.
And Sandeep sir has a knack of finding these tracks. If you see all the tracks of the film are not like, you know, ऐसे गाने नहीं है, but वो लोगों ने इतना पसंद किया कि वो गाने बना के रिलीज करना पड़ा.
Right. इस दौरान ये भी पता चला था there was another choreographer, आटा संदीप जी, जिन्होंने ये कहा कि he claimed that he had choreographed this song.
So I was also pretty surprised because तब तक मैंने फिल्म नहीं देखी थी तो मुझे पता नहीं था, मुझे लगा था शायद कट गया होगा, पता नहीं, I have no idea. But then one of my assistants sent me a post on Instagram saying that अरे ये तो हमने किया है.
हाँ.
And I saw and I was like probably, you know, they reshot it because बहुत टाइम ऐसे होता भी है हमारे साथ कि हम शूट करते हैं फिर वो चीज को रीशूट हो जाता है, ऐसे बहुत टाइम होता भी है.
अच्छा.
But then when I saw, I said नहीं ये तो हमारा है. So then I went to see the film and I saw yeah this is what we've shot and why is someone else taking credit for it. And ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है.
पर I mean, अगर आपने शूट किया है पूरी तरीके से तो क्या ऐसी भी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि शूट के बाद भी कोई और रीशूट करे?
ऐसे होता है काफी टाइम, you know, like lot of times like filmmakers shoot some stuff and they're like this can get better. Okay. And sometimes either we are not available or they don't like our work or whatever that is. I mean, creatively it's a very open space, right?
Okay.
So then they might reshoot some portions or whatever. वो भी होता है. But इस केस में नहीं हुआ है. So I was like, अरे ये तो अपना है. Like why is someone else taking credit? So I put up a post. You know, I wrote on his. I tried to get in touch with him and I message saying that with due respect, you know, this is done by us.
Yeah.
And my team has worked on it and we have gone through the whole process. So I got a message from him saying that you know I had sent a video long time back.
अच्छा.
So and I was like, I know like a lot of people send videos because
Right.
Sandeep sir had told me himself कि मैंने बहुत लोगों को approach किया है, but what you've done I really like. So it started from that point and obviously when you approach a lot of people, हम लोग भी काफी टाइम ऐसे choreography देते which is not approved and stuff like happens.
Right.
But that doesn't mean you assume that you've done it. You know, so that was shocking for me. Then I said, but you know, I've done the whole thing. So he's saying, but I'd sent a video. I'm like, you must have sent a video, but
Yeah.
probably it got rejected.
Okay.
That's the reason I was got in. we started from scratch. We choreographed the entire piece. We rehearsed with Ranbir for 3 days. I mean, that piece we rehearsed with Ranbir for 3 days. He's so sweet. He kept coming and he kept rehearsing for it. And then we shot it. You know, अब उसके बाद there is no doubt who's done what is done. So then obviously then it went, I called the production and I found out and whatever. I mean, then eventually it was like, yeah, you know, we'll make sure that the credits are due
Right,
and they
right,
will
right.
sort this out. And I'm
Yeah,
like,
because there are, I believe, a lot of interviews that he has also gone ahead and given
yeah,
about, you know, being a part of the film. And
yeah. And I wonder how, like at least just get your facts checked and,
Right.
you know, just that.
So, ये बताएं that what was the reason that Sandeep ji said that, Sandeep ji, the director Sandeep ji, said that, you know, he wanted you on the film Animal? और कोई ऐसा project उन्होंने आपका देखा था that he was very happy with, that he spoke to you about?
See, I've worked with T-Series a lot. T-Series is the
Okay.
production company who's produced the film, and I've worked with them a lot. So I think you know, वाया कहीं से होता है कि उन्होंने काम देखा होगा या कुछ, and then he must have called me. But he's one person who doesn't believe in आपने पहले क्या किया.
Right. Okay.
I noticed that with him.
Yeah.
He believes in आप अभी क्या करोगे. So when he gave me that piece, and I understand characters. That's touchwood. That's a forte. So I understood the character very well.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And I think, you know, putting the moonwalk was just the hint that was needed. And now, आप जब इसे clarify कर रहे हैं तो realize हो रहा है, हाँ, उन्होंने बात कही थी कि माइकल
है ना?
जैक्सन के वो
Yeah.
बहुत बड़े fan हैं.
Yeah.
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी as a choreographer, a lot of people want to learn the moonwalk.
Yeah.
What are the 3 things that they should remember while they are practicing the moonwalk?
Oh, that is a difficult one. How do I say it? I have to show it.
That's
But
why,
yeah.
that's why I said,
Yeah.
अगर आपको बोलना हो,
हाँ.
चलो एक चीज बताइए जो याद रखनी चाहिए when you're doing the moonwalk.
You know, first thing is just watch that man doing the moonwalk whose name is Michael Jackson. आप पहले देखो वो क्या करता है, and then there's a technique to it. So that technique you have to learn, because it that illusion of, you know, जब आप पीछे जा रहे हो but वो illusion है कि आप आगे जा रहे हो.
Oh.
तो वो पाँव का जो मूवमेंट है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है.
Lovely.
Yeah,
न
yeah.
जाने कितने लोगों ने इसकी कोशिश की है.
Yeah.
We've grown up watching so many people
Yeah.
perform it, and of course the legend Michael Jackson. You have worked with Ranbir Kapoor on a very, very, very wonderful project, which is Jaga Jasoos.
I'm so glad you said wonderful. Thank you.
I love the movie Jaga
Yeah.
Jasoos. मुझे लगता है वो बहुत प्यारी फिल्म
Yeah.
थी. Again, so beautifully shot. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि गलती से मिस्टेक, जिस गाने के लिए आपको इतने सारे अवार्ड्स भी मिले, इसे शूट करने में आपको कितना मजा आया? How many dancers were there together?
You know, that is one of the songs which was, वो होता है ना, इंसिडेंटली हो गया, एंड आई बिकेम अ कोरियोग्राफर बाय मिस्टेक.
मतलब गलती से मिस्टेक हो गया.
was actually how it happened. So I was a AD on the film. I was an
Okay.
assistant director. So there was a phase when I had quit dancing,
अच्छा.
and I was like, अभी कुछ और करना है लाइफ में.
Okay.
So I was dancing for 13 years. Then I said कि, so I was looking for work and I was like, who to work with, and I knew that I had to work with this man called Anurag Basu because I'd seen Barfi, and I was like, इनके साथ तो कभी ना कभी सीखना है इनसे.
Right.
And so happened that I connected with him. My sister knew him, and then whatever I connected with him. And after 6 months he called me. He said, "तू आजा, मैं एक musical बना रहा हूँ, and I need someone on set who can, you know, understand music and stuff like that." And that's how my journey on Jagga Jasu started. And I was like कि 2 साल में हो जाएगी film, and then I'll assist a lot of directors and I'll shift my field. But how things are planned, कि वो film खत्म नहीं हो रही थी.
Stall होती गई
Because
ना?
it was a very difficult film. Like if you see, it is a musical.
Yeah.
And musical like that आज तक बनी नहीं है इंडिया में. Technically, like वेस्ट में काफी बनी हुई है. इंडिया में like scene के, like the scene is a song. It was very difficult to crack. वो क्या लिखे, rhyme कैसे करे, क्या हो, and we used to go crazy. And Dada is a genius. Like Anurag Basu, he was just trying to find. And if you see the film, उसमें इतने सारे layers हैं.
Yeah.
There's a mystery. There is a you know, there's songs.
The
there's-
character songs.
Exactly.
बहुत कुछ है, correct.
तो वो ना बहुत टाइम लग गया, और एक गाना आया जो गलती से मिस्टेक केम इन रैंडमली, एंड दादा सेड एक गाना है, बट वो ना फिल्म में इट्स कमिंग एज अ यूनिट, इट्स कमिंग लाइक अ नॉट अ आइटम सॉन्ग बट लाइक दैट, कि वो फ्लो में नहीं जा रहा है, एंड ही इज वेरी लाइक दैट कि फिल्म के फ्लो में जाना चाहिए.
Correct.
So then he made us listen to the song and we said it's great. He said कौन कर सकता है? तो I gave him options. I said मैं फोन करता हूँ. So I was an AD, right? So I called people. Everyone was busy. मैंने सब busy हैं दादा. तो बोलते हैं हाँ तो ठीक है, कल तो सीन शूट कर रहे हैं हम लोग हॉस्टल का. एक काम करना, 30 बॉयज बुला ले जो डांस करेंगे. तो I said cool. So I told that time Abhishek, my assistant, now he's still with me all these years. तो I told him ऐसे अभिषेक लेके आना 30 boys को लेके आना. तो बोला ठीक है मैं लेके आता हूँ. So we got 30 boys.
सेट पर.
सेट पर.
अच्छा मतलब अब तक गाना कोरियोग्राफ नहीं हुआ है.
वैसे शुरू हुआ गाना. तो 30 लड़के आए सेट पे. हमारा सीन खत्म हुआ. दादा है, आर के आया. बोला आर के गाना है, सुनते. Played the song. And instantly everyone on set loved the song. Like that song is like that. ना ding ding. Everyone was like grooving. क्या करे कुछ करते. हाँ विजय क्या करे. So I see, is he asking me to do a dance? Like, because I'm like, हाँ. So then I started jamming with him. And you know, the process started becoming fun because he also jams. So Dada also is a very good dancer.
अच्छा.
हाँ. तो वो भी डांस करने लगे. मैं भी कुछ करने लग गया. आर के भी बोल रहे ऐसे करते हैं. And then you saw that cake cutting वाला
Yeah,
जो
yeah,
cake
yeah.
काटते हैं ना. That was the first thing we shot of गलती से mistake. कि उसको
Oh.
सुलाते से वो सोया, वो भी अभिषेक ही, उसको सुला के उस पे केक रख के हमने काटा. वहां से शुरुआत हुई. And then he saw in the edit. He said कि नहीं यार ये गाना वर्क नहीं करेगा. And we are like दादा it's a very good song. So then he's like हाँ यार but it's coming like a unit ना, it's not coming in the film. So then he left it. We didn't shoot. After around 6 months, suddenly wakes up. He like गाना shoot करते हैं. And we like अच्छा. And then Pritam Da sends another lyrics वाला song. तो उस दिन जो हमने जितना भी शूट किया था उसमें से खाली केक कटिंग रिटेन कर पाए. बाकी सारे लिरिक्स चेंज हो गए. And then after 6 months, then we short portions in different places. हम कहीं सीन कर रहे थे वहाँ पर एक छोटा सा पोर्शन कर लिया. फिल्म सिटी की सीढ़ियों पे हमने एक पूरा पोर्शन किया ऐसे करके.
But what a step.
Yeah.
I love
That
it.
step actually was given by Ruel.
Oh.
Yeah, the first step was Ruel step. So Dada was doing Super Dancer at that time.
अच्छा.
So Super Dancer में बहुत सारे ये कोरियोग्राफर्स थे.
हाँ.
So दादा ने बोला कि इनको भी बुलाते हैं, इनसे भी कुछ निकालते हैं. तो everyone came and then we were jamming and then Ruel gave this step and we were like this is it, you know.
What is the maximum number of dancers you have worked with?
350 now. This song Sun Sajni we did.
Okay.
There was a strength of around 550 people on set and 300 dancers. तो मतलब वो scale इतना बड़ा था.
That's
Yeah.
As a choreographer, जब आप अपने जर्नी को देखते हो, you started sometime in 2005 with Bunty और Bubbly as an assistant.
As an assistant,
and
yes.
then आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते, if I'm not wrong, Hate Story was the first time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why the look?
Because you know that time I mean there was a phase where finances were very difficult to
Right.
manage and there were a lot of things happening. And like I did the first song I actually did was Nachange Sari Raat.
Okay.
That was also T series.
But you have also gone ahead and found your space of creating dance numbers, and they don't need to be the locking and popping. They give you a vibe कि कोई भी कर सकता है. Is that a conscious effort that you've always wanted to do कि मेरे गानों में हर कोई नाच सकता है, रील्स ज़्यादा बननी चाहिए?
See the whole idea ना is that जब गाना मिलता है तो पहले करना क्या है उसका. Because क्या होता है हम लोग ना we become एक टाइम पे आके टाइप कास्ट होने लगते हैं कि ये हिप हॉप अच्छा कर सकता है, ये you know he can do the Indian kind of dances very well or she can do this very well or this one can do. So you get typecasted and that's the kind of work you keep getting. So our whole thing when we started also was like let's not just do something that is similar to what we've done in the last one. So a lot of times it was difficult to say no to films because you were getting the same kind of stuff. Same things were coming in and you were like कि नहीं अब ये मैंने बहुत कर लिया है, अब ये नहीं करना है. जैसे for example अभी I've been doing period films like Pipa is a period film, Sam Bahadur is a period film, then अभी I'm going to be doing a film called 21 that's also a period film. So मतलब एक ऐसे आने लगता है, then you have to break the monotony. So then we've done songs like Banja Tu Meri Rani, which is so non-dancey.
Right.
Then your Chaka Chak, which is so girl-oriented. Then your Pipa, which is very masculine and that kind of a
There's also
space.
Kamaria.
There is Kamaria.
Oh.
Yeah, there's Sun Sajni, which is a Garba kind of a number.
Correct.
So I've been experimenting with a lot of different kind of stuff. So that's the fun.
Vijay, coming to Sam Bahadur, 3 गाने जो आपने कोरियोग्राफ किए जिसमें से एक गाना, if I'm not mistaken, was edited from the film, and I believe that Kalki was
part it's a beautifully shot song and she's done so well, I can't tell you.
Do you think that we can get to see it anytime?
I really hope so. I really hope so, and I've been praying that वो release कर दे because वो गाना भी इतना प्यारा है, वो हमने शूट भी बहुत प्यारा किया है, and it was just that the length of the film के वजह से, we had to, and it was everyone had to just keep a, पत्थर on the दिल and say कि okay, let's take this song out.
But we are really looking forward to more and more of you and your choreographies because it's a treat to watch. चाहे वो एक दो dances के साथ हो या फिर वो जो टोली आप create करते हो ना, like with Pippa or with Chakachak and Jagga Jasoos being great examples.
Hi, this is Vijay Ganguly and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.